In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check conversions in Google Ads and provide a quick guide to testing and troubleshooting conversion tracking. Understanding conversions is crucial as it helps you assess the effectiveness of your advertisements and ultimately measure the return on your ad spend. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Ads website. This is the main hub for your advertising campaigns. Once you're there, locating the sign in button should be your next step if you haven't already logged in. This step is straightforward. Clicking on the sign in button will prompt you to enter your credentials to access your Google Ads account. After signing in, you'll find yourself at the Google Ads homepage. This serves as the dashboard where you can manage your campaigns. It's the starting point for making any changes or checks to your advertisement strategies. Now locate the Campaigns tab. This is where all your active advertising campaigns are listed. Clicking on it will take you to a new view displaying each campaign you have created. This is important because conversions are tracked and reported at the campaign level, among other dimensions. Following this, you should select a specific campaign from the list. Choose the one you want to check or edit the conversion settings for. Make sure to choose a campaign that aligns with your current focus or objectives, whether they are increasing sales, leads, or another metric of success. With the campaign selected, it's time to click on the Edit button. This will allow you to make necessary adjustments or check the current settings tied to your campaign. This is particularly useful if you need to update or refine your approach based on your current conversion data. Next, you'll want to update your conversion goals. Conversion goals help you identify which customer actions are valuable for your business, such as form submissions or product purchases. To update these goals, click on the Update Conversion Goals option. This action lets you review and modify how conversions are tracked, ensuring that the recorded data accurately reflects user interactions with your ads. By following these steps, you can ensure that your conversions are tracked accurately, providing you with valid data that can drive successful advertising campaigns. This helps you make informed decisions about where to allocate your budget and how to optimize your ads for better performance. It's a simple process, but it's key to making sure you're getting the most out of your advertising efforts. Remember, regular checks and updates to your conversion tracking can significantly influence your advertising strategy's success. Thanks for watching and good luck optimizing your Google Ads campaigns.